Want to turn off voicemail on your ALDI mobile phone? It's a common desire, especially with the rise of texting and messaging apps. ALDI Mobile, which operates on Verizon's network, lets you disable voicemail in a few ways. The easiest method is to call ALDI Mobile support at 1-855-253-4734 or Verizon's 611. Tell them you want to deactivate voicemail. Alternatively, you can use MMI codes directly from your phone's dialer. To deactivate call forwarding to voicemail, dial 21 and press call. This cancels all call forwarding. To check if forwarding is active, dial *21. Keep in mind that these codes might vary slightly depending on your phone model. Finally, for Android or iOS devices, navigate to Settings, Phone, Call Forwarding, and manually disable call forwarding to your voicemail number. This number typically resembles +1 it's XXXXXXXXX. Note that deactivation will not delete any existing voicemail messages, so manage those separately. Voicemail usage is declining as alternatives like texting and AI-driven answering services become more popular. Recent industry data indicates that over 70% of calls in the US now go unanswered by voicemail. For ALDI Mobile, this trend is significant since many users prefer deactivating it to save costs. In the future, expect smarter voicemail features that transcribe and summarize messages with AI, potentially making deactivation less necessary. However, basic deactivation methods such as MMI codes and support calls are likely to persist, as simplicity is a priority. By 2030, voicemail could become optional on most plans, with deactivation becoming even simpler via unified device settings. While ALDI is simple, users on Reddit have had success with more 21 for deactivation. Overall, while voicemail is still active today in 2025, trends show its importance is diminishing.